can tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. I can't hold a frown too long, I can't stay down too long. Look, running from pain, running from strain, running from things, running from schemes. Couple things I know, couple things I show, couple things I don't. I can tell you my problems, I can tell you my sins, I can tell you my problems. I'm uncomfortable in my skin, I'm uncomfortable with.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Cheryl. I love decorating my home with style on a budget, and I love to try to make it look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if you love home decorating and you love decorating your home with style on a budget, then this is a channel for you. If by the end of the video you like what you have seen, I would hope you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. Guys, so spring has sprung. So I thought I would give you an updated family room tour. In the last video, I showed you guys that we went with some lighter pillow covers. They were that teddy bear wool, and I lived with it for a few weeks, but guys, I miss my black. I know, you want to keep things light, bright, and airy for spring, but I am a moody gal. I love a good moody vibe, even for spring and summer. So I brought out my black pillow covers again. These pillow covers are from Amazon. I've had them for several years. I don't think they're available from Amazon any longer, but if they are, I will have them linked down below. In the last video, when I showed you this black pillow over here, I told you I thought I wanted to add a green pillow over here. So that is what I did. When I added the green pillow, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I love the vibe. So that made me change the teddy bear wool olive green pillows back to black and to put another of those green pillows over here. And just look how they play off each other. It's so moody. I just love a good moody vibe. I did, however, keep the lighter colored pillows here and added another one of those green lumbar pillows here and one here as well. I didn't really change anything on the coffee table. I did change out the stems. I like the wispy look of these stems, so I did go ahead and change those out. And I don't know, I just love the look and the feel and the vibes that it is giving me. So I wanted to give you that little update, but this is how it looks. I absolutely love it. And if you stand here and you look back toward the kitchen, I kept it simple there too. So you guys know we got a new dining room table last year, just before the holidays. I absolutely love this. This came from Amazon. Our chairs are from Day Lane. They were part of a collaboration, and I just love how it has brightened up the space. I think it goes perfectly with our chandelier here. And then I showed you guys this black tray, and it's actually a wood picture that I painted black that we're using as a tray, and I told you guys that I was going to be doing something special with it. Well, I'm still going to be doing that, but I think it would be more, I don't know, perfect for summer than for spring. So for spring, I decided to add these white vases that we picked up from IKEA several years ago. And in it, I have just styled some plants that we've had for a while now. I'm in the phase of using what I have, and so I absolutely love how this looks. And you guys remember these little tea light holders that we picked up from the Dollar Tree? I still need to put tea lights in them, but this is how it's currently looking for the springtime. I also got this white abstract piece from Burlington. It was on clearance for $22.39, and I'm getting ready to do an update in my primary bath, and so I got those because I thought, okay, they might look really, really nice. So that's why that is sitting there. But I don't know, it just looks so nice. It looks so moody. Look how nice this looks. Oh my gosh, I love it. So I wanted to share that with you guys. And then also, I want to do an update here on this wall. So this wall, this photo is just a stock photo. It is a frame that I picked up from Michael several years ago, and it had this green succulent plant in it. And you guys know I love green and I love succulent, so I just left it that way and just let it be a piece of wall art. Well, now I'm thinking I want to change it. So recently I was at Ross and I found this abstract piece of black and white. This is how the art looks. And it was just $22.99. And so I'm thinking that I want to take these two pieces and run them up the wall. But how would that look? Would it be too tall? And see, I have my light switch here, so I don't know. Maybe I could only put one there. But anyway, I thought we would put it into ChatGPT to see how it would look. So I'm gonna do that here. Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on that. But I do think I want to change this out. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a quick update of my family room. I love the Moody vibe. I don't know, I just absolutely love it. I hope you love it as well. I'm thinking, do I make any more changes in here? You guys know I am going to be changing my kitchen sink. Guys, oh my gosh. The quote to put in that sink, one quote we got was like $400. One quote we got was $700, guys. $700 to change out a kitchen sink. It's crazy. So I have someone else coming to give me a quote to change out the kitchen sink. Hopefully their quote, is budget friendly. I was thinking my boyfriend and I could do it ourselves, but we have a garbage disposal and all the pipes down there. I don't want to have a leak, and I don't know, just start something like as simple as a sink change, like balloon into a major repair. So I would rather just pay someone to do it. But if you have changed out a kitchen sink, leave me a comment down below and let me know how easy it was. I've watched some videos. I've watched videos from Lowe's. It seemed pretty easy, but we have a trap for the dishwasher. I don't know. It just seems more complicated than what we want to get into. But leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've done something like that. So this is my little update. The video is short and sweet, but I did want to share it with you. I do have a mini haul coming up for you guys that I do want to share with you. So if you are liking what you have seen so far and you want to see more, please make sure you subscribe if you have not already done so. I'm also finally going to be doing a deck makeover. It's been many, many years since I updated the deck. It's time for a change. So that will be coming up. We're going to be changing up the lounge upstairs. I'm making some changes in my office. So a lot of new changes coming. So again, if you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you subscribe. I didn't change anything over here on this side of the room. I just love the way this looks. It's so chic. So modern. It's so chic and so modern to me. I didn't want to change anything. So we left the lamps the same. I left my little sitting man the same. The candle holders on the side, they light up at night, and the ambiance is just so, so nice. So I didn't want to change anything, so I kept it the same. But yeah, this is how the family room is looking after the little update. You don't have to make big changes, guys. You can make small changes and just make your home feel the way you want it to feel, and not the way anyone tells you you need to make it feel. It's your home. Decorate your home the way you want to and do you. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my little family room update. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on these green pillows. I love them. Absolutely love them. I think with the black, oh my gosh, it's just so nice. Oh my gosh, I just love it. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. So if today's video has inspired you in any way, please make sure to give the video a big thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would hit the subscribe button, tap that notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I have a lot of budget-friendly, budget luxury, home decorating inspiration coming your way that you don't want to miss. I know a lot of people are decorating with blue for spring and summer. Blue has never been my color. It will never be my color. But I do love green. So hopefully there are some people out there who also love green as much as I do. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're going to be decorating for spring or summer. Are you doing blue, going with the Nancy Meyers aesthetic or coastal theme? Again, those were never my things. I did decorate coastal like when we first moved into this house, but I don't know, I just never really gravitated toward it. I like a moody, modern space, and I think I've created that look, and I don't want to change it. I don't care what the trends are. I'm going to stay true to myself, and this is me, and this is what I love. So hopefully, if you are here, you're like me, and you want to stay true to yourself and decorate your way as well. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know, are you going to jump on the blue trend? Are you going to decorate the way you want to? Are you going to use green like I am? I would love to know. So again, I hope you have enjoyed this little bit of inspiration. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so. With that, my friends, I hope to see you in the next one. Bye-bye, guys.
With my ways, I'm uncomfortable in this space. I'm uncomfortable on good days. I'm uncomfortable on bad days. I'm uncomfortable with my soul. I'm uncomfortable with my heart. I'm uncomfortable with myself. I'm uncomfortable with my heart. I'm uncomfortable with my thoughts. I'm uncomfortable with my feelings. And sadly, I'm uncomfortable with healing.